Look, sometimes it takes a lot of unsexy products to make the sexy products work better. So I'm gonna show you all of my favorite unsexy products. We got a lot, so this is probably gonna be a part 1 of 2. Kicking it off with my face razors. I have shaved my face for over 10 years at this point. I've gone through so many different brands. These ones are my favorite. This one comes in a 3-pack. This one for my whole face, this one for my eyebrows, and then a little itty bitty trimmer that I cannot find anywhere that I like to clean up my eyebrows with. These are very sharp, but so good. All right, let's talk oral hygiene. I will never not use a water pick. My kids use this one as well. Flossing your teeth is super important, and this just makes it easy. Not sexy, but really important. Speaking of which, oil pulling. I've only started oil pulling for the last several months, and I will never not do this. This brand specifically, TikTok got me on. It is the Guru Nanda. I will do oil pulling for at least 5 minutes with this, and I've noticed significant changes that has honestly changed my life. I love this. It's not the sexiest thing ever, but super important as well. If you are not scraping your tongue, that is where most of the bacteria lives. And so a tongue scraper is going to be pivotal for you. Okay, this is random, but this is also super important. You're just chugging water all day. You're not getting the minerals. You're just letting the water pass through your body. It is super important getting the appropriate minerals in, and this is how you do it. This is Celtic sea salt. I will just take a little grain, put it on my tongue, let it dissolve, and drink my water, and you can be sure that you are actually hydrating your body. This is one of the unsexy products that makes all of the sexiness come alive. You're probably so sick of me talking about this, but I'll never stop. Castor oil is my best friend. I will use it till the day I die. It is incredible for all of its health benefits, but I use this for skincare. I also use it for health benefits. I will put this in my belly button. I will put this on anywhere where I'm getting any acne. Put this on my C-section scar where I have a lot of scar tissue buildup, and it has significantly decreased. Castor oil is such a healer, and I will never stop talking about it. Along with that, magnesium. This is a game changer. I spray magnesium oil on my feet, on my kids' feet, and we get the most deepest, most restful sleep when we put this on. I can never not go without this because I can immediately tell the difference when I've used it and when I've not used it. Let's talk about cuticles because nobody likes having them. I use this on my feet and on my fingers. This is a really good cuticle oil remover. And so I will put this all over my cuticles before I go in with a fresh manicure. All of that dead skin just kind of dissolves. You can scrape or cut it away. I've gone through a couple bottles of this and we love it. All right, we are gearing up to end here. Let's talk about vitamins and all the ones that I use. Magnesium glycinate because most people are deficient. Bees Keepers, I use their complete gut health. Omega-3 fish oil, vitamin D plus K2. You want to make sure that if you are taking vitamin D, it comes with the K, zinc, and a prenatal vitamin. And then so that I don't forget to take those bad boys, I really like this pill case. It's really just easy to put it in my purse. It has magnetic holds and it also has these little windows so nothing is going to fall out. I have so many more unsexy products that I can talk about, so make sure that you save this video to refer back and follow for a part 2 because that's coming up.